At this roundabout, he chose wrong lane to go left. Remember, if you're going left from this side on this roundabout, you will use left lane to go first exit or second exit as both exits are on the left.
On the approach of this roundabout, he switched lane without observation and indicator. Remember, if you change lane, you must check mirrors and indicate before changing lane. Otherwise, it can be serious fault in your test. Use left lane to go right at this roundabout. Serious fault. Could easily overtake the bus. Driving fault for planning and awareness.
Next roundabout right. Sure.
Poor observation and planning which cause braking hard in the last minute for pedestrian crossing, which can be serious fault in your driving test.
Went too close to the parked car in front when moved off. Could have full lock right to keep good distance from the parked car. Serious fault for clearance. On this right turn, she tried to go into no entry. At this little dual carriageway, there is no entry sign, but you can see on the floor there are two broken lines. Don't try to go in there, but go to the next one.
This is no entry. That's the road. Bring left, bring left. You can turn right from here.
Yeah, how did I do that? I did this in the morning.
You did this in morning.
On this next right turn, she used left indicator and turned right. Serious fault.
Right.
On this roundabout, she used left lane on the approach, but as soon as she entered the roundabout, she went into the middle. This is one of the common mistake learners do. Remember, if you are in the left lane on the approach, you must go around in the left lane and then take second exit or whatever exit you are taking. Otherwise, it could be marked as a serious fault. She stopped too close to this car to give way to oncoming traffic, and because of that, she went even more close to that car and made a serious fault. Remember, when you stop behind a parked car to give way to oncoming traffic, don't go too close. Keep at least a car length distance so you can easily go around without doing any mistake. She did undue hesitation on this roundabout. If she could have started observing in good time, she could have gone without stopping. It can be serious fault in driving test. She took left turn without proper observation. Serious fault. Should have moved left after overtaking, but she kept driving to the right side of the road throughout this right bend. Serious fault.
At the end of the road, turn left.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.